There's a boat lift. It's not open at the moment. It's up for maintenance. Mind you, if I was nearly 200 years old, I need a bit of maintenance. Anderton boat lift. It's what it says. Boats go into it. And that down there is the Weaver. Four years, and it's the first time I got this close to it. There you go, that's the boat lift. You've all seen it now. Great day out. That's the Weaver down there, like I say. Won't go over there, there's people there, but there's a coffee shop behind me. You just have to take my word for it, aren't you? That's the way it goes. It's the pond where they tie up. There's the main canal, so they come in there, tie up here, and these two they go in there, they shut them in and then lower them down to the river. Let's say I don't spend much time here, hands on the boat and I don't want to leave on the own. That's the top of the boat lift, and that's where the boats go in, two at a time, and come up two at a time. You can actually, they run what you call it, where you can go and go up and down it. All those windings up there. All those windings to lift it. Nearly 200 years old. That's the way in, like I said. That is the Trent Mersey. No left turn. Did you see that? It says no left turn sound on. Duckies, they get everywhere, don't they? Like I say, that's the boat lift. Right, I'm going back to one. I'm not good. Coffee, etc. They've got a steamboat thing on. Steamboat festival. These are mooring posts. This is where they come in before they use it. Like the waiting area, if you like, or the staging area. It's whichever way you want to say it. This is where the boats come in. They come off the Trent and Mersey. There's the Trent and Mersey. Where we are. We're not down there, but down there. We're actually, it says he falls in the canal. We're actually up there somewhere. Bridge 199A. There she is. Magnificent piece of engineering. I think it's the only one in the country, working one in the country. Might be wrong with that. So somebody will tell me. Right.
And you can take your car.
I'm losing my pants. Shouldn't say that, should I? Never mind. It's factual. Gets awkward because I'm trying not to film people. Again, at least for mooring up on before you go into the boat lift.
Would you just give it to new members? Not have it
They're yeah, that's just to show that we are where we say we are. To get here, drive past the marina.
It's only 4 hours.
Look at my trousers again. Right, this in front here is a turning point. Got to turn the boats round. I've turned around in this. I turn Lawrence's boat round in this. Yeah, it's a turning point. The Anderton boat lift story, amazing engineering, amazing people. Yeah, if you ever want a day out, come here. Great. Absolutely worth it. We'll turn off in a minute. I'm going down there. Back to our boat. I'm going to be going back to our boat in a minute. That's it. Nothing else to see. Bye.